Devin.
The phone!
I heard it again. Watch that.
Hurry up, man, while you're young, this phone...
I'm calling the army.
I can't.
Okay, you can where you point.
I'm right now.
Okay, you can be...
Coming through, hot stuff.
Cerita berpindah 5 tahun sebelum perampokan, memperlihatkan seorang pria bernama Ray yang sedang mencari pekerjaan tambahan untuk menghidupi keluarganya. Ia ingin anaknya bisa melanjutkan sekolah dan istrinya Alice bisa membuka restoran yang selama ini mereka impikan bersama. Suatu hari, Ray masuk ke sebuah bar dan bertemu dengan Michelle. Namun, sebelum bisa bergabung, Ray harus terlebih dahulu mengalahkan pria bernama Henry yang langsung menyerangnya.
Handle themselves.
It wasn't very...
For God's sake, take care of it and then call me after it's done.
Let me be clear.
Setelah berhasil mengalahkan Henry, Michelle menjelaskan peraturan main di bawah kepemimpinannya, termasuk kode etik yang harus dipatuhi selama bekerja bersamanya.
With
I haven't...
their exploits, so you won't make it onto the news. Care?
Dental included.
But I only work with those who follow. You only go in with guns up when somebody has their... Hey, whoa, wait a minute. I got you.
You just laid out. And Allison...
Now,
I'm not dumb enough to take a loan from you.
what's rule number 1 of the code? So, here is the part where you're a good father.
Ray menerima telepon bahwa tempat penyimpanan uang telah dirampok. Ia pun segera meninggalkan makan malam tersebut untuk memeriksa lokasi kejadian.
Are they arms? Danny, this is the part where you say thank you, Ray.
All the rice.
Di sisi lain, Michelle didatangi oleh pria bernama Lonnie yang berniat membunuhnya demi membalaskan dendam. Ternyata, Henry berkhianat. Sebelum meninggal, Michelle sempat menyampaikan pesan terakhirnya kepada Iggy.
To start a war.
Dead.
Unless you're right.
It's business as usual.
While you're at the supermarket, can you grab...
Take it easy, take it easy. Look at... There you go, watch that corner.
Iggy kemudian mengadakan rapat untuk membahas kematian Michelle dan menyusun rencana untuk membalaskan kematiannya.
When Lonnie made his move. John. Will be well.
Di tempat lain, Henry pulang ke rumah untuk menemui anak-anak dan istrinya, serta memberitahuan tentang kematian Michelle kepada Alice.
How was work?
Caramel?
But I just needed to. They have to mark their territory hundreds of times a day. They do the hunting. The land of the fight.
It does, right? Hey. Just...
Stupid rule.
Siobhan.
What? No, ew. No, there's no way. You wouldn't.
Kemudian Alice menceritakan bahwa ia telah lihat restoran yang cocok yang akan mereka beli.
For the dine. Well, you were so busy with work, and I didn't want how you put food on the table. We've earned this.
Michael. Yeah, no more Michael. Michael.
Well then,
I'll just talk to Ignatius and I'll have him tell the...
you gonna miss it?
Hell no. You, kid.
It's gonna be so fun.
Keesokan harinya, Ray menemui Danny dan memberitahunya bahwa ia berniat berhenti bekerja karena ingin membangun restoran bersama Alice.
It's not you. It's us and I have saved up, finally. Enough.
You have a plan for Michael being dead and Lonnie being an absolute psycho.
Tiba-tiba, Ray mendapat kabar bahwa anaknya, Siobhan, terlihat berkelahian karena melihat Henry diganggu oleh orang lain.
Hey, what? Lady Chiffon, how do you do? I've just been promoted. Yeah, I just got promoted, yeah.
Hey,
Mr. Hayes. Young Henry's.
Class isn't over yet, so who wants to learn how to shoot a gun?
I know you're a good man, Mr. Hayes.
what? Let's go. Come on.
Pushing Henry, so I didn't start it, but
It's always okay to stay.
Now, if you ask Siri to define, say. Anyways, I'll let you guys talk.
a little bit at the offer. Weekday fund. We're gonna be in this diner for the
Ray dan Danny kemudian pergi ke bar untuk menemui Iggy dan Charlie, menyampaikan keinginan Ray yang untuk berhenti bekerja.
You all work for me now. That's what I'm talking about. Up 2 points.
When you quit, just make sure you don't end up in the butcher's kid.
I don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
To leave the game. But Lonnie... A kid they trained.
Namun, Ray tiba-tiba dipanggil ke lantai atas untuk menemui Lonnie dan menjelaskan keputusannya.
You know, I
Know all about you, Raymond Hayes. So, what's it?
just build my own business with my family.
Can do as I say. We say to people who care. We don't.
Permintaannya ditolak. Ray lalu kembali menemui Iggy yang kemudian memberikan informasi bahwa satu-satunya cara untuk lepas dari Lonnie adalah dengan membunuh Antonio, tangan kanan dari Lonnie.
Well, that's not fair. I both good books. See, I told
Look, I'm a henchman. I'm not a...
Alice. You're free to leave.
Now, I forgot to mention, the neighborhood's not great, you know, but do you happen to need a karaoke machine?
I think I could be frightened of anything, but
It's good. I love you too.
Oh, we did it! Yeah!
Ray kemudian pergi ke sebuah klub tempat Antonio biasa berada.
What do you say? Hey. You think you're doing? Yeah, you better walk away.
Make him special out here or something. I don't know.
Wrong man with pistols and tight lap.
See what I'm saying?
Sementara itu, Danny melihat Henry dan anak buah Lonnie yang sedang menuju rumah Ray. Ia dengan cepat menelpon Ray agar bersiap menghadapi serangan yang akan datang. Di rumah, Siobhan menemukan ponsel milik Ray. Setelah membaca pesan yang mencurigakan, Ray segera menyuruhnya untuk bersembunyi karena para penjahat akan datang.
You got your go bag?
What did Danny mean?
When can I get a phone?
Put this on your brother.
No,
Put it on
not until
too.
you quit being a cop. They don't trust us enough to tell us.
Work.
showroom for IKEA in here.
This is heavy.
The rest of the situation.
Got you.
Setelah berhasil mengalahkan para penyerang, Ray dan keluarganya bersembunyi sementara di restoran yang baru saja mereka beli, karena rumah mereka sudah hancur akibat perkelahian dan serangan anak buah Lonnie.
I had to get a job.
Why couldn't you just do a normal job that you hate?
Never had growing up, you know.
So this code that you talk about is wrong.
Survive, you know, to make things better.
Saat Dani sedang memberikan saran, tiba-tiba anak buah Lonnie datang dan langsung menyerang mereka dengan tembakan membabi buta.
I got this. Just watch the kids, okay?
It's life, my brother.
What?
Go.
You learned all this in the police academy?
It's time for a new lady.
Mereka semua akhirnya ditangkap oleh Ford, salah satu anak buah dari Lonnie.
What? Okay, don't do
I can't rip your ass.
Ow. A heartless man. My family. Nice book you got there. A real lion doesn't roar. Put him in the office.
But they're just kids. You don't want that.
Morning is for the weak.
Saat diinterogasi oleh Lonnie, terungkaplah bahwa Alice adalah anak dari seorang pedagang yang pernah ia bakar hidup-hidup.
You remind me of someone. Fucking did not. Yo, I seen you in my nightmares. This is the day that especially dumb look in your husband's face, aka the butcher's kid.
It was a lifetime ago.
Alice adalah orang yang sama yang membuat Lonnie menjadi buta.
You smoke?
So how's the fucking eye, Lonnie? Talk. But then I realized there's more to life than death.
Saat di situasi genting, Iggy berhasil menusuk Ford. Lonnie kemudian memerintahkan semua anak buahnya untuk membunuh Ray, Alice, dan Iggy.
No, you did this to yourself, okay?
Mereka bertiga lalu berpencar untuk menyelamatkan anak-anak yang disekap di kantor atas.
You two got something to say? Fuck is gonna run. I let him get away. Sure, Lonnie's skull is an ashtray if I don't. Get a gun and let's go get the kids. Bike. Take this. Go get the.
Oh, please.
Did I do something wrong? Normal?
Okay, it's okay.
Everybody holding up. Just give me a sec. All right. Oh. Ha. Family meeting.
And you're gonna stay tight to me. You stay tight to, all right? This family, or
And this fart. Huh?
Setelah berhasil mencapai kantor, mereka menyusun rencana bukan untuk kabur, tapi untuk menyelesaikan semuanya dengan membunuh Lonnie. Mereka ingin mengakhiri semua kekacauan ini agar bisa hidup kembali normal dan mewujudkan impian keluarga untuk membuka restoran.
Married John Wick.
Side and killer with a gun.
Charlie.
What I got for you?
Why would you never think to tell?
So we doing this?
And your father.
Actually, there's a guy in Brooklyn you're calling. Enough.
Diner first, and then you can teach me.
No, first we're getting patched.
Dad.
Okay.
Oh, a first customer.
Welcome.